Welcome back to another SelfCAD tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to design a laptop stand using the Freehand and Spline tools. Instead of using only basic shapes, we will draw a custom side shape that makes the stand strong, allows airflow, and gives a comfortable viewing angle. To begin, open SelfCAD and start the interactive tutorial. First, activate Freehand from the toolbar. This allows us to sketch freely and lets us shape the overall design of the stand. Next, activate the Spline tool. We are using this tool as it gives us more precision and smoother curves. Now click along the grid to draw the side shape of the stand. Each point you add changes the curve and shapes how the stand will look and support weight. As you draw, think about three key areas. That is, the base that touches the desk, the angled support that holds the laptop, and the back section that prevents slipping. Smooth curves distribute weight more evenly and reduce stress points. Avoid sharp transitions as they can create weak zones. If you make a mistake, press the Escape key to stop the stroke and continue refining. Adjust the spline until the side profile feels balanced and supportive. You can switch the spline mode to Erase to refine unwanted sections. This is important because clean geometry ensures smooth extrusion later and reduce mesh errors and produce better print results. Once satisfied with the shape, finalize the drawing. Now activate Polygon Selection and select the closed region. Ensure you select the top regions only, as those are the ones we want to extrude. This step defines the solid mass of the stand. Next, activate Extrusion from the Modify category and set the extrusion amount to 35 mm. Then finalize. This converts the 2D profile into a 3D object. The extrusion thickness determines the stand's depth and stability. A wider extrusion increases strength and balance, ensuring the stand can support the weight of a laptop without tipping. But remember, the higher the extrusion, the more the printing time and material will be used. Deselect the regions to continue. Now activate the Rotate tool. Rotate the object by setting Z to 270 degrees and X to -270 degrees. This reorients the stand into its functional position. This is important as we want the base flat on the workspace, simulating how it will rest on a desk. Next, activate the Move tool. Set Y to 0 to align the object with the grid. Then adjust X to position it properly in the workspace. Proper alignment improves symmetry and prepares the model for duplication. Now activate the Mirror tool. Set Create Copy to True. This ensures we duplicate the side profile instead of modifying the original. Set the direction to right and adjust the offset to 172.55. Then finalize. Mirroring creates the second support leg of the laptop stand. Instead of redrawing the shape, mirroring guarantees perfect symmetry. At this stage, you now have two identical support sides forming the foundation of your laptop stand design. And that's how you transform a freehand sketch into a functional 3D laptop stand using controlled curves, extrusion, transformation, and mirroring. You can now slice the file and even scale it based on your size requirements and send it to the 3D printer. Watch as your laptop stand is being 3D printed. After 3D printing both stands, remove them from the 3D printer bed and place your laptop on top. Thanks for following along. Check the comment section for the link to the interactive tutorial so you can follow it and design it yourself.